And the cleanup continues. I think we'll be having some bonfires here. My stepdad has some friends who keep coming over on just a rotating basis, and they take the really big stuff. Let me see if I can get a shot of some of it. So their next tree is this one here. My stepdad has chopped the top portion of it, which I'll keep and use for bonfires and that kind of stuff. And then his assortment of friends come along and we drag out these super large logs and they cut them up and take them for their burning needs. So it's kind of a win-win for all of us. They get some wood and we get some cleanup. This right here is one of the first signs for me that spring is coming. I don't know if you guys can see it, or spring is rather here.